You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you that you should watch and learn from. Hustle. Alright, this is how you pronounce it. The stress is on the first syllable. It's an ha sound. Hustle. Not to be confused with hassle. I've got a video you need to watch if you're not sure about what the difference is. I'll link to it right now. Pronunciation here in English. Hustle. Hustle. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.